This is the newest addition to our RVing experience. Brand new Weber Q1200 barbecue. One meal cooked so far. Last night's supper, steak. Beautiful, beautiful barbecue. Easy start from these little tables here. Fold up, fold in, and go inside of the barbecue container, or inside the barbecue lid. I've got my 18-pound, and you connect it underneath there, in place of one of those little green cylinders. See what it says here. Brilliant little thing. That's it from the back. Let's see what the monitor is saying. We've got a remote monitor to monitor the temperature of our barbecue. So right now I've got it on chicken. It's 141 degrees and it's set to be well done. So let's go outside and see what it looks like. And there's the other part of the monitor, the outside unit. And the sensor is stuck in the chicken. As you can see, chickens are being cooked, and it's 145 degrees on the inside, the temperature inside the chicken. So that's supper. Supper is coming along quite nicely. Donna's got some sweet potato fries coming, and I don't know what other vegetables she's got cooking, but I'm in charge of the barbecue or the grilling. And this is the new Weber Q1200 grill that we have, and I bought this, as I said. I forget the name of it. The brand is, let's see if it's on the back. No, it's not on the back. The brand is on the box inside, so I can get that and maybe post a link in the video description. But right now the temperature inside the barbecue is 300 and almost 350, and it's on the lowest setting here. So pretty good. Underneath there's some of that sauce. We've got I think what she was saying is the sauce was or the marinade was honey and soy sauce, or tamari, or I forget the name of the sauce. Anyway, it's a kind of a soy sauce with honey and garlic, and that's the marinade that's on the chicken. Oh, 159. See, it shows LLL on the other probe because I don't have the other probe plugged in. So it's showing LLL. I don't know what L means, but that's what it does when it's when the other probe is not there. It's got a light, so it's in the dark right now. There it is, 161. So we'll see what it does when the temperature is 175. Well, as you can see, maybe you can't see yet, but the temperature is 174 and it's set to go off at 175. I believe the alarm is going to go off. I'm not going to turn the light on. Oh, there you go. It's saying 176 and the set temperature is 175. So I'll go outside and get it now. Let's go see what's going on. We're going to just pull the chicken off, and then we've got to let it rest for a few minutes before we can eat supper. And let's go get that chicken. Let's see what it says out here. 177, so up. You just turn the fire off. No, this probe is extremely hot. So what I'll do is just pull it out with this. Let it dangle there for a while. Now this is stuck on. So I put the probe in the thicker leg quarter, and the thinner one didn't have the probe. So let's go bring this in. I'm going to come back out and get that later, but as you can see, the temperature is dropping right now. It's going to actually read ambient temperature, which is like 53 degrees or 52 degrees. It's going to settle down all the way down to that. We can have a look at that on the inside. Grill needs to be cleaned, but I'm going to come back out and get that thing anyway. So here it is. Well, it turns out that there's no brand on this wireless meat thermometer set, but I'll put a link in the description where I bought it, and you can see it just says made in China wireless meat thermometer, and I don't see any kind of brand. It does say the same thing there again. And this is the supper. There's the chicken leg quarter and sweet potato fries and zucchini and tomato casserole. So delicious. A little bit of white wine and water. Bon appetit.